What's up guys, in today's video I am going to show you how can you add custom filters like this one in any WordPress post type. So let's start. So guys, in my custom plugin there is an action hook restrict manage post which is used to show filters there like this one, and in this function I am first checking if the post type is equal to product. It means it will show only in this page. And after that I am getting all the products from the database by just using SQL query in PHP. And after that I am showing all the prices from the products. If I uncomment this action hook, then as you can see prices is showing from the database, and if I click on it and filter it, then it will not work because the second query is required to work it properly. So as you can see price is equal to 1 2 in the URL. So in this check I am getting the price from the URL, and after that I am matching. If this price is equal to URL price, then option will be selected. So as you can see 12 is selected. So after that, in this function I am also checking if the post type is equal to product, and I am getting the query, and I have updated the query by just using meta key, meta value and meta compare, and the meta value which I am getting from the URL is equal to this. Then I will show the products which is matched with the query. For example, I am going to uncomment this and refresh it. So as you can see 12 is matched with this query. So if I selected 33, so as you can see product with the price 33 is showing there, and if I change it, then another product will show there with the price 1 2. So as you can see, by using these two functions you can show the filters there like this one, and you can fetch the values from the database. So if you find my video useful, don't forget like, subscribe and share. Thanks for watching.